God says today, you've been worried about how you'll make it. You've felt the weight of every bill, every expense, every unknown. But I am stepping into your situation now. You will not have to carry this alone anymore. I have seen the sleepless nights. I've heard the silent prayers you whispered through your tears. When no one else knew how close you were to giving up, I knew. I saw. And I am answering. This is your confirmation that help is on the way. Provision is already in motion. Even before you asked, I had already set the answer in place. You may not see it yet, but you will. I am a God of overflow, not just enough. I don't just give daily bread, I prepare feasts. There is no limit to my supply. I don't operate in recession. I don't need a perfect economy to bless you. My resources are divine, limitless, and unstoppable. Do not let fear speak louder than faith. Fear will tell you there's not enough. Fear will say, it's too late. But I say, you are just getting started. I am about to open a door that no man can shut. Some of the delays you've experienced weren't denials, they were redirections. I was protecting you from deals that looked good but weren't from me. I was removing people who couldn't go where I'm taking you. You are about to step into divine strategy. I'm giving you wisdom to handle wealth. I'm releasing ideas, favor, and connections that will bring increase. You won't just work harder, you'll work smarter, because I will guide your every move. There are resources already aligned for you. Clients you haven't met. Jobs you didn't apply for. Checks you didn't expect. Opportunities you never imagined. I'm putting your name in rooms you've never walked into. This is more than provision. This is restoration. You've lost some things, yes. There were seasons where the money slipped through your hands no matter how hard you tried. But I am repaying what the enemy stole. You are entering a season where even your past losses will be returned. You will be shocked at how fast it turns around. One moment of my favor can do more than years of labor. Stay in faith. Stay expectant. Don't give in to the lie that you'll always struggle. That is not your destiny. You are called to live in abundance. Not greed, not extravagance, but overflow. Enough for you, and enough to bless others. I am giving you the power to produce wealth. I am removing blockages that have hindered your financial growth. Some of the people you helped in silence, I will cause them to remember you. They will return to bless you. Some of the seeds you sowed in faith, you are about to see the harvest. I am shifting your mindset about money. No more survival mentality. No more guilt around blessing. I want you to prosper. I want you to walk in financial freedom. Money will no longer be a source of stress, it will be a tool in your hands to fulfill your purpose. The promotion you thought passed you by? It's coming back around. The debt you feared you'd never pay off? It will be wiped clean. The dream you shelved because of lack? It's being revived. You are not forgotten. I am your provider, your source, your sustainer. I will make a way where there seems to be no way. I will show you miracles in your money. I will bless you in front of those who doubted you. You will not beg. You will not borrow endlessly. You will lend and not borrow. You will rise and not fall. You will have more than enough. Let this word settle in your heart. I care about your needs. I see your financial pressure, and I am sending relief. Even now, things are shifting in your favor. Stay faithful in the small things. Stay generous. Don't compare your path to others. What I am doing for you is personal, specific, and tailored to your journey. You are favored. You are chosen. You are on the brink of divine provision. God says, "Trust me. Provision is coming. Resources are being released. What you need is on the way." If this message spoke to you, be sure to subscribe and stay connected for more prophetic encouragement. You are not alone on this journey. God bless you.